Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Pool. Nokia is heading into the summer with 3 budget-friendly phones, all under €189, or roughly about $221. The Nokia 5.1, 3.1, and 2.1 phones for 2018 refreshed last year's model, enough to compete with the handsets like the Motorola G6 and the Alcatel 3V. These phones are laser focused on delivering the essentials for cheap, so don't go looking for premium features like wireless charging or 3D front-facing cameras. That said, this Nokia Trio does add some welcome updates. So in this video we're going to see the features of each phones, so make sure you stay tuned. The Nokia 5.1 has upped its screen game with a 5.5-inch display and a much higher resolution than 2017's 5.2-inch Nokia 5. It follows the trend of a tall, narrow 18:9 screen ratio. Android One, the most pure version of Google's OS that isn't on a Pixel phone, is at its core. One change from last year is the placement of the fingerprint sensor, which has been moved from below the screen to the back, freeing up the space for the screen. Both the 16GB and 32GB versions of the Nokia 5.1 come with an unlimited photo upload on Google Photos. The handset arrives in July with a 16GB at a price of €189, or roughly about $221, and the 32GB at €219, or roughly about $255. With the stepped-down specs across the board, the Nokia 3.1 has a smaller 5.2-inch display. It's got an aluminum frame and plastic backing, which may help keep your smeary fingerprint at bay. Also running Android One, this handset uses an octa-core MediaTek processor instead of the quad-core chipset on the last year's Nokia 3. You'll be able to pick it up in June. The 16GB version costs €139, or around $162, and the 32GB model will go for €169, or about $197. And finally, there's the humble Nokia 2.1. You'd think this phone would be the smallest of this trio with the skimpiest battery life, but no. Its major selling points are the 5.5-inch screen and 4000 mAh battery tucked inside, which promises to run for 2 full days on a single charge. As the most vault-friendly of the three, the Nokia 2.1 phone runs on Android Oreo Go software, a simpler version of Android designed specifically for inexpensive handsets. The Nokia 2.1 goes on sale in July for a super cheap €115, or around $134. So which of the three are you looking for? Leave us your choice in the comment section below. And also give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more info and update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.